here is just an idea for the pantry. Could do with a bit more information on the floor here and what the door looks like, but this really, the main point of this is to just demonstrate this is how I go about doing what Elfa call a traditional shelf. So it's using the Elfa traditional bracket, which comes in various lengths. That first one I've used there is 170mm long, and that one there is 300mm long. I don't use Elfa's own melamine shelves. They are not a particularly good quality product. There's lots of places up and down the country cutting and edging boards. The one I use is extremely good value, and they ship all over the country, so for a very modest fee we could get bespoke made shelves. You in terms of cost, you almost only pay for the sheet, the cost of the sheet. It's extremely good value. The material I use is white faced and edged moisture resistant MDF. It's an absolutely bulletproof material. I've used it on loads of projects. Ideal in places where you could get a little bit of moisture, you know, a jar or something's been put back a bit wet, something leaks. Just really bulletproof material. Okay, I hope that's useful. As with the other video, this is just a jumping off point. All ideas and suggestions are welcome. I've got the model now, it's easy to adapt it and show some changes.